In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product campaign. Product campaigns are basically the same as a service campaign, with the only difference is that product campaigns can be connected to a shopping cart system using an API. This API connection to a shopping cart will allow Review Trust to receive the order information from the shopping cart when the shopping cart receives an order. That order will then be added to your campaign's order list. First, let's create a shopping cart connection. On the sidebar, click on Account Settings, then scroll down to the Shopping Cart section and click Add New. We have video tutorials on how to connect the supported shopping carts into Review Trust, but on this video, I will just use Thrivecart. Click Save. Now we will create the product campaign. On sidebar, click on Campaign. Click Create Campaign and choose Product Campaign. Enter the required information. This is similar to creating a service campaign. Enter the campaign name. Enter the privacy policy URL. Enter a short description. Choose at least one testimonial type and at least one required type. This drop-down will allow you to connect your campaign to the shopping cart account you created earlier. So we will choose Thrivecart, and on next to it, it will show the list of accounts under Thrivecart. Choose the account you created. Then continue saving the campaign. After the campaign is created, you will see it does have the same tabs as the service campaign with addition of a Products tab. You need to create a product that matches the product of your shopping cart, so Review Trust will be able to match your campaign to the order data sent to the API. So let's add a product. Enter the product name. The item number field needs to match with the item number your shopping cart will send to the API. This link will show you how to get the item number from your shopping cart. Follow the instruction on this pop-up. You can see that on Thrivecart, I will have to copy the number after the products text in the URL and add a pretext to it. So we'll put the item number and continue adding the product. You can now see the added product to the Products tab. The Reviews tab is the same as the Service campaign, so I will not explain it anymore. In the Orders tab, you will notice that there is another way to add orders. You can add orders automatically using an API. This is different from the shopping cart accounts API. This will require more technical and some programming skills. We have a documentation page for it, if you wish to explore it. The rest is the same as the service campaign, so I will not explain them anymore. And thank you for watching the video.